Barbell curl. Barbell curl is one of the best exercise for strong and big bicep. First of all, you have to hold the barbell equally to width of the shoulder. You have to do 15 to 20 repetition with the empty barbell so that your bicep muscle warm up properly. You have to 12 repetition in the first set by selecting the control weight. If you bring in the barbell up to the shoulder level, then squeeze the bicep muscle, and if you bring in it down, then stretch the bicep muscle. Cross body dumbbell hammer curl. Bicep is a small muscle, so if you do 3 or 4 exercise, then it is enough to increase the size of the bicep. Hammer curl make the bicep wider and bigger, but you have to perform it with the cross body. The right hand dumbbell has to be curled toward the left side chest. Similarly, the left side dumbbell has to be curled toward the right side chest. It is a very easy and effective exercise. If you want, you can also perform normal dumbbell hammer curl. Incline dumbbell curl. Incline dumbbell curl is a very good exercise to get a good shape in the bicep muscle and to make the size of the bicep bigger. You have to perform it by laying on the incline bench. Your whole body get locked, only your shoulder to arms muscle work. Use a lightweight dumbbell, bringing the dumbbell up to the shoulder level, squeeze the bicep and bringing it down to fully stretch the bicep. Close grip bench press. Tricep is a 70% of the arms, so you should focus more on tricep muscle than bicep. Just as the barbell curl is one of the best exercise for bicep, the close grip bench press is one of the best exercise for tricep. Laying down on a flat bench, you have to perform this by holding the barbell with the close grip hand. Start with the light weight, press the barbell up, then stretch the tricep muscle and bringing it down toward the lower chest, then squeeze the tricep muscle. Dumbbell overhead extension. You have to perform this sitting, holding one heavy dumbbell with both hands, locking the elbow of the hand, bringing the dumbbell upward from behind your head, then stretch the tricep muscle and squeeze the tricep muscle if you bringing it down. You can perform this with the rope cable by standing in front of the cable machine. Due to this, the size of the tricep become bigger very fast and tricep get a good shape. Cable tricep push down. Very easy and effective exercise to create a good cutting in tricep muscle and make tricep bigger. It is a performance standing in front of the cross cable machine with the rope cable or straight bar cable. Start with the light weight, keeping the correct position in mind. Push the cable downward, stretch the tricep muscle, and when you brought up, squeeze the tricep muscle.